Father Alex Ooken, CMI, a role model of inspiring, encouraging, and enabling leadership. Everyone who is born into this world leaves something unique when he or she departs from this world forever. We call it legacy. Father Alex has left a rich legacy of inspiring, encouraging, and enabling leadership. Father Alex Ooken was in leadership position for a long time. Being in the chair of authority and power did neither make him corrupt nor proud, but he always remained a servant of the people and of the members of the congregation. Reverend Father Alex was born on August 8, 1936, as the second son of Ooken Kunyavari and Rosa in the Diocese of Irnyalikuda. His parents instilled in him the seed of Christian faith and the core values of Jesus. He joined the CMI congregation and made the first profession in the year 1955. He was one of the few scholastics chosen for college studies, including post-graduation those days. He taught in Christ College Irnyalikuda for 2 years before going for theology studies. The quality of leadership was evident in him as seminarian. He was elected as the common beadle of Dharmaram College while he was doing his theology studies. He was ordained in 1969. As a young priest, he was appointed as a lecturer in Christ College Irnyalikuda, director of NSS, and the chaplain of All India Catholic Student Union, ICAF. As a youth animator, Father Alex inspired hundreds of college students to become agents of social transformation in the society. His experience of seeing and understanding the ground realities helped him later to adopt policies for empowering the poor and the marginalized as a provincial and the prior general. He served the CMI congregation and the people of God in various capacities as the Vicar Provincial of Devmata Province, Provincial of Devmata Province thrice, Vicar General of Sagar Diocese, Prior General of CMI congregation, a missionary in Kenya, and Superior of MSG congregation in India. One of the significant contributions of Father Alex was his initiative and support to start the Congregation of Sisters of Jesus, SG, dedicated to the service of the rural poor in North India, particularly in Sagar Diocese. He helped the congregation to evolve and articulate its vision, mission, and goals, besides laying the spiritual foundation based on altruism. The SG congregation has declared Father Alex as their co-founder. As the provincial and the prior general, Father Alex gave topmost priority to the practice of the values of the committed life and building communities based on love and mutual respect. Father Alex facilitated the growth and development of many individuals, and that is one of his greatest achievements. He has left an indelible mark in their hearts all those who were in touch with him. He was sensitive to the needs of the poor. He motivated and supported the young generation to specialize in studies related to social work and to opt for working with the underprivileged, especially in villages and urban slums. Being an authority in congregation for about 3 decades, Father Alex has left a rich legacy, a legacy of inspiring, encouraging, and enabling leadership. He was a role model of simplicity, affability, hard work, and straightforwardness. Towards the end of his life, Father Alex was suffering from leukemia for about 6 months. He gracefully accepted the fact that he was close to death and prepared himself to face the last moment. On 11th June 2006, he slept in the Lord and his funeral was held at Christ Monastery, Irnyalikuda.
दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर जलते जलते मिट गया है वो जग ज्योति में समा गया है दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर जलते जलते मिट गया है वो जग ज्योति में समा गया है।